Hi students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as academic advisor in Masterminds from the past 20 years. Sir, I got failed in CA Foundation exams of December 2021 attempt. What next? Don't worry. You have numerous number of options. In this short video, I am going to explain you each and every option in a very detailed manner. Please watch this video till the end. First of all, let me congratulate all CA Foundation students, whether you have qualified or failed. Yes, what you have heard is right. I am not kidding. This is a professional course here. This is not like a 10th or intermediate. You shall not compare it with the 10th class where everybody will be able to qualify. This is a professional course here. If you look at the pass percentage today at CA Foundation, at all India level, it is 30%. That means approximately 1 in every student is able to qualify. If you look at similar professional courses like NEET or JEE entrance examinations, so hardly less than 1 student will get selected out of 100. So lakhs of students are writing exams every year and few thousands are getting selected. So luckily our course is not like that. So first of all, please don't compare yourself with that of 10th and intermediate. So don't worry, I am going to explain you all the options in a detailed manner. You can be successful in your career. That's our assurance. Know your college. So Masterminds was established in the year 2002 and this is an incredible initiative by 3 visionary edupreneurs who themselves are chartered accountants. Me, MSS Prakash, my brother MSN Mohan and my sister-in-law N. Radha. All 3 have qualified CA at a very young age of 21 years and all 3 belong to the same family. We offer specialized coaching right from MEC CEC groups in intermediate to CA CMA final with nearly 20,000 admissions per annum. So our students are able to achieve first rank for 47 times in various courses for which we offer coaching, and our students are able to achieve cumulative all India ranks of 977 in CA and CMA courses. To know more about Masterminds, please check the cards and description for a detailed video. Sir, why I actually got failed in CA Foundation exams? My dear students, there will be numerous number of reasons for success. Similarly, there will be numerous number of reasons for failure. Sit, relax, introspect and try to note down each and every reason for your failure and then try to find out a solution to each one of them. In my experience, some of the most common reasons for failure may be, first one, online learning. Remember, online learning is not welcomed by you. So out of compulsion, everybody is forced to online learning. So unfortunately, there are large number of students who were unable to accustom to this online learning. So not listening to the classes attentively. Since it is online, I have seen large number of students who are unable to listen classes attentively. Luckily, in the previous attempt, physical classes we are able to conduct, but still students are unable to come out of their old bad habits. Mobile phone addiction. I have seen hundreds of students who spoiled their career because of mobile phone addiction. Please get rid of smartphone and switch over to a smaller feature phone. And you might have taken coaching in some non-serious institutions who don't offer any specialized coaching for CA/CMA courses. Now you better shift to institutions like Masterminds. So preparing using outdated and non-standard materials. Remember, the life of materials in CA course is just 1 year. Unfortunately, students keep preparing the old materials years together. So that's why please get rid of old materials and switch over to our latest materials of Masterminds. So not writing enough number of exams. I have seen large number of students, the only exam that they are going to write is public exam. How can you learn time management? How can you get rid of exam fear? How can you get rid of anxiety? I have seen some other institutions who are conducting examinations with very substandard question papers. Now switch over to Masterminds where we conduct our internal exams very seriously and each of our internal exam question paper will be beyond public exam standards. Not focusing on presentation skills. My dear students, this is not like a 10th or intermediate. Here, presentation skills plays a very important role. Even if you know the answer, it's not enough. You must know how to present it. So luckily, in Masterminds, we have a clear-cut policy of not only teaching you the answer, but also the presentation skills. Selective preparation. I have seen large number of students who selectively prepare few areas and leave some other areas at their own. So how can you do like that? You need to make analysis of past examination question papers and you have to arrive at a scientific way of leaving some areas and preparing some areas strongly. Mugging up the subject without conceptual clarity. Unfortunately, several students treat CA exams just like 10th and intermediate. They don't learn conceptually. Sir, what is this conceptual clarity? Very simple. It is not sufficient if you know the answer. You must also know the reason for the same. Why, sir? Very simple. In CA or CMA courses, you are not going to get copy-paste style of examination question papers just like your 10th and intermediate. Even if you prepare hundreds of questions, examiner is going to pose a different question in the public exam. So unless you have conceptual clarity, you cannot answer such kind of questions. So many of you might be suffering with some or all of the above reasons which I have explained now. So let me know the specific reasons for your failure in the comment section below. Sir, I have few doubts to ask. Don't worry. So I am addressing some doubts. Even if you have some more doubts, you can ask the same in the comment section of this video. Sir, can I conclude that CA is a tough course? I'm sorry. It's not a tough course. It's a different course. You need to play the game with complete knowledge on game rules. Unfortunately, students are not aware of the perfect game rules. As a result, they are getting failed. Sir, what is the level of knowledge that ICA is expecting from CA Foundation students? Expert knowledge. Right now, the intention of CA Institute is very clear. They want to test your knowledge at foundation level itself to the core. That means once you qualify CA Foundation, it's almost like qualifying CA. That is what the certainty they want to bring in CA course. I think it's a welcoming change. Instead of coming to CA final and then not able to clear CA, it's better to clear that at foundation level itself. Whether you are meant for CA course or not, you can take decision at foundation level itself. So that's why foundation will be very tough and CA Inter and final will be easy. Sir, what about my position at CA Inter and final levels? That's what I am saying. CA Inter and final will be easy. Do you need an evidence for this? Very simple. In today's results, the All India pass percentage at CA foundation level is 30%. And also the All India pass percentage at CA final level is also 30%. This is an indication of intention of the CA Institute. Sir, what is that I need to change? Very simple. First, you need to change the mindset. You need to change the mindset of your 10th and intermediate. You have to come out of that. You need to prepare CA course just like a CA course. You should also change your preparation strategies a lot. Better late than never. It's good that you realized at least now. So remember to follow one golden principle in CA course. It's always good to start preparation immediately after writing your public exams. Just imagine the situation if you have started your preparation immediately after writing your public exams, then you will be in a very comfortable position. Sir, now I realized and recollected the mistakes that I have committed in my previous attempt. Now tell me what are the options available in front of me. Don't worry. So out of our 20 years of rich experience, we have designed the following options for the students who have got failed in CA Foundation exams. So totally there are 6 options in front of you. First one is crash batch, study hours and revision exams batch or Masterminds test series, CA and CMA Inter integrated batch, CMA Inter exclusive batch, CA Inter long-term batch, CA Foundation regular batch. Let us discuss one after another. Sir, I heard a lot about Masterminds material. What is so special about them? Definitely, Masterminds materials are right now the best materials available for CA Foundation in the industry. In our materials, 100% of ICA sources are covered. That is study material, RTPs, MTPs, previous exam question papers. You need not refer anything else if you refer Masterminds material. Look at the first page of our accounts material. Here we have provided the list of all the problems in study material, all the problems in RTPs, MTPs and past exam papers, and also indicated where that problem is covered in our material. And this kind of table will be there at the beginning of each chapter itself in all the subjects. 100% we prepare our material according to study material. We don't deviate at all. So ours is a one-stop solution. Once you prepare our material, you need not refer any other materials. And our materials are beyond exam standards. We don't compromise with respect to quality. So at the end of each problem in our accounts material, you can find concept questions. That means what will happen if some modification is done to the problem. Here you can see there is one CRD problem in accounts. Immediately after completion of problem, you can find concept questions. That means what will be the impact on the answer if some modification is done to the above problem. Sir, what is the purpose of this? because in public exams you are going to get a modified problem. With this knowledge, you can handle a modified problem very well. Sir, are you going to follow similar concept in theory subjects like law also? Yes, we have a similar concept at law subject also. For example, here is a theory question. Immediately after completion of theory question, we will give you large number of similar questions. Sometimes the main question will be for half page and similar questions will be for 1.5 page. That means what are the different ways in which the same question can be asked in the public exam and how you need to answer the same. So assignment questions slightly different from that of classroom questions. For example, for every classroom problem in our material, you will find an assignment problem which is very much similar to that of classroom problem. That means we will make some modifications in the classroom problem and we will prepare one assignment problem. If today we are going to teach one classroom problem, tomorrow you need to solve one assignment problem on your own. And at the end of every problem, we have provided ABC analysis. Look at one problem given our Masterminds material. At the end of the problem itself, we have provided the reference, we have provided the concept questions, and we have provided the ABC analysis in the table itself. So similarly, we provide ABC analysis for every theory question also. Here is one theory question where we have provided the ABC analysis. We follow a strict policy of releasing updated materials for every year. Whenever CA Institute updates the study material, we also come up with our updated materials. Ours is the only institute to follow this kind of strict policy. For all types of batches, we will provide this kind of materials only, and we follow similar policy at our CA Inter level also. To know more about the highlights of Masterminds material, please check the cards and description of this video. Sir, what is meant by CA Foundation Crash Batch? This is one of the best options available to you. Crash Batch means coaching batch. Here we will provide you coaching. For the first time listeners, we generally provide CA Foundation coaching for 900 to 1000 hours spread across 4 to 5 months. But when it comes to repeaters, we have result oriented, special and exclusive batch called Crash Batch. In this batch, we will teach all the chapters, but in every chapter, we will ignore some unimportant areas. So 550 to 600 hours of detailed coaching in just a matter of 70 days. And Masterminds is specialist in offering crash batches. Let us see the basic details of crash batches. So to whom this batch is suitable? First one, if your conceptual clarity is poor, if you have taken coaching earlier in some non-standard institution, then it is better to come and join for crash batch. February 12th is the commencement date and the most probable syllabus completion date is May 10th. You know pretty well Masterminds is very serious and we stick to the schedule announced. So every day we will be conducting classes for 9 to 10 hours. In this batch, we will teach each and every chapter. Of course, for a few unimportant chapters like journal, ledger, etc., we will provide video lectures for approximately 60 to 70 hours. For all the subjects, we provide well-trained, expert and experienced faculty. And for this batch, we offer 3 different modes of coaching, that is physical batch, online batch and just video lectures batch. Among these 3, I prefer CPB, that is complete physical batch. For more details on 3 different modes of coaching that we offer, please check the cards and description. Every week on Sunday or Monday, we will conduct weekend exam. And if you don't want to listen to some unimportant chapters, you can come outside and you can prepare on your own. We have made all the arrangements. So after completion of syllabus, we will conduct study hours and we will also conduct one set of pre-final exams. Sir, do you have any economical option for crash batch? I want everything in a very lesser amount of fee. Don't worry, we have such kind of option also and we call it as VOD, that is video on demand. In this particular option, you need to purchase the entire set of videos of CA Foundation Crash Batch of Masterminds and you can download the same from Masterminds online classes app. So detailed coaching will be given to 550 to 600 hours. Whatever the classes that we are conducting physically, that we will record and upload the same in this app. So these are latest videos. These are curated as per the latest changed exam pattern. Remember my dear students, there is no use of purchasing old recorded videos in CA course because in every attempt the examination pattern gets changed. That's why we are not offering you old videos. We are going to offer you the latest videos recorded as per the latest examination trends. Excellent audio and video quality, But major issue is when you just purchase the videos, you don't watch them. You keep on postponing watching the same. So that's why I don't recommend anyone to go for this option, even though our VOD is best among the industry. But still, I want you to come and join physically. If at all you cannot afford, then only you choose this as a last option. To know more about our crash batch coaching, please check the cards and description for a video link. Sir, Masterminds is extremely popular for the service of study hours and revision exams. What is it? Frankly speaking, we are the first in the CA coaching industry to invent this concept. So as a part of this service, we will conduct study hours for the whole day in a distract-free environment. You know pretty well how good you will be able to read at home. Here, we will conduct study hours in a very strict environment. We will give you a fixed schedule and every student needs to chase the same. Otherwise, it leads to procrastination. So just remember, when you prepared schedule on your own, how many times you modified. That's why it's better to stick to the schedule given by us. Based on this schedule, we'll conduct 2 revision exams a week, one on descriptive, another one on MCQ. And students who have attended online classes might have failed due to anxiety and fear in public exams, as you are going to write only the public exams. Because in online coaching, you might have written exams at your home. But here, since you are coming physically to our campus, you will lose all that exam fear. So basic details of study hours and revision examinations, to whom this service is suitable. So you have already attended physical classes in some standard institution. That means your conceptual clarity is good. For example, you attended coaching in Masterminds itself in the previous batch. Similarly, if you have attended online coaching earlier, then it's up to you to decide whether you want to go for crash batch or study hours and revision exams. So failed in this attempt just because of lack of practice in writing exams. Because I have seen thousands of students, the only exam that they are writing is public exam. So how can you escape from exam fear? Batch is going to commence on February 12th. Every day we will conduct strict study hours for 9 to 10 hours. And if you are going to join in our own hostel, then you can comfortably prepare even for 12 hours a day. So for doubts clarification, directly faculty will come. Total of 80 exams will be conducted, including one set of pre-final exams. And question papers are directly prepared by the faculty and they will be beyond public exam standards. And immediately after completion of exam, we will give you suggested answers. And within 1 week, we will get the papers evaluated and written back the same to you. So we'll monitor each and every student's performance through our customized software. And along with study hours and revision exams, you can even attend coaching for 1 or 2 subjects in crash batch. Sir, can I purchase Masterminds material by taking admission to study hours and revision exams? Yes, you can, but it's optional. To know more about the service of study hours and revision exams in our organization, please check the cards and description section for a video link. Sir, what is the service of Masterminds test series? It is exactly study hours and revision exams. The only difference is you don't come and attend study hours physically, but you will write the revision exams from your home. Frankly speaking, I don't recommend anyone to choose this option because you know pretty well how well you prepared at your home. This is suitable only if you have self-discipline, self-control and self-motivation. Unfortunately, less than 10% students will have such qualities. And if you have some health challenges due to which you cannot attend physically, then you go for Masterminds test series. Students of other states who cannot attend physically can also choose this. Please choose this option as a last resort. To know more about Masterminds test series, please check the cards and description for a video link. Sir, I am not confident of qualifying CA Foundation exams in May 2022, even after joining in any of these stated services. What should I do? Don't worry, I have still some more options for you. First of all, if you have already qualified CMA Foundation, then you have 3 options. First one, you can take admission straight into our CA and CMA Inter integrated batch, which is available only in Masterminds. Alternatively, you can join in our CMA Inter exclusive batch. You can even take admission in our CA Inter long-term batch. These are all some of the options you have. You can even shift to CMA course and appear for CMA Foundation exams in June 2022. You can even join in CA Foundation regular batch once again. Let's try to discuss one after another. Sir, what is this CA and CMA Inter integrated batch? First of all, let us understand that 90% of the syllabus of CMA Inter already gets covered in CA Inter. Basing on this principle, we have designed a unique academic program where we will merge the syllabus of CA and CMA Inter, and we will teach you in the name of CA and CMA Inter integrated batch. This is very much suitable if you have already qualified CMA foundation but failed in CA foundation, but you are very much interested to pursue CA Inter also in future along with CMA Inter. That means first we will make you to write CMA Inter, and in future we will make you to write CA Inter. Let us see the route map. First of all, we will make you to write CMA Inter exams in December 2022. After qualifying CMA Inter, you can register for CA Inter even if you have not qualified CA foundation. That's called direct entry. And even for this, all the three modes of coaching are available. That is online and offline. To know more about CA and CMA Inter integrated batch, please check the cards and description for a video link. Sir, what is the CMA Inter exclusive batch? Let us assume you have already qualified your CMA foundation and you don't have any interest to pursue CA Inter in future. In such a case, you can comfortably take admission for CMA Inter exclusive batch. In this option, you will be made to write CMA Inter both the groups in December 2022, and all the three modes of coaching are available, that is both offline and online. To know more about CMA Inter regular batches, please check the cards and description section below. Sir, I have failed in CA foundation. Can I join in CA Inter long-term batch? Yes, that option is also open for you. First of all, we will give you CA Inter Group 1 coaching alone in 4 to 5 months. Each day, 2 to 3 hours of study hours will also be provided in addition to classes. After completion of Group 1 coaching, we will conduct study hours and revision exams for a period of 2.5 to 3 months for Group 1. Immediately after completion of Group 1 exams in November 2022, we will finish Group 2 coaching in 3 to 3.5 months. After Group 2 coaching, we will conduct study hours and revision exams for 2 to 2.5 months. And we will make you to write Group 2 exams in May 2023. This is what the route map of CA Inter long-term batch. Sir, when should I prepare for CA foundation? Since you have not yet qualified CA foundation, during Group 1 coaching, there will be idle time and you can prepare your CA foundation for 1 or 2 hours a day during that idle time. And you can appear for CA foundation in May 2022 and can try to qualify. So, of course, I recommend you to choose this option only if you have already qualified CMA foundation, because after taking this coaching, if you are able to qualify CA foundation, then you can continue with CA Inter. If you are unable to qualify CA foundation in May 2022, no problem, you can switch over to CMA Inter. So failed in CA foundation with a nominal deficit of 5 to 10 marks, then you choose this option. So must be able to revise CA foundation syllabus by spending 1 or 2 hours every day. Remember, my dear students, if sufficient number of students don't turn up for CA Inter long-term batch, then we will merge them with both group students and we will offer the above services. All the three modes of coaching are available. To know more about CA Inter long-term batch, please check the cards and description for a video link. Another beautiful option that you have is you can shift from CA to CMA course. So CMA course is comparatively easy. You can comfortably switch. Now you can join for CMA foundation coaching also and write CMA foundation exams in June 2022, provided you have already registered for CMA foundation. First, you need to sit with CA foundation crash batch students. So first we will teach you all the common topics. Later on, we will teach extra topics in CMA foundation. With this, you can even comfortably appear for CA foundation exams once again to be held in May 2022. So all the three modes of coaching are available in this option also. Sir, what is the CA foundation regular batch? It is like starting our CA course journey afresh. 900 to 1000 hours of intensive and in-depth coaching will be provided as against 500 to 600 hours in crash batch. So we will make you to appear for CA foundation exams in November 2022. All the three modes are available here also, and well-trained, experienced and expert faculty are provided. Will start immediately after completion of senior inter examinations. This is very much suitable if you have previously attended online classes in some non-standard institutions and if you have some poor conceptual clarity. Sir, what are the evidences for the quality of services being offered by Masterminds? First of all, let me tell you the achievements of our students at CA foundation level. All India second rank and 40 All India ranks in top 50 in just 3 attempts. And in the recent attempt, our student has secured 362 out of 400 marks. And if you remember, in this attempt, CA Institute has not announced All India ranks. But in the previous attempt, that is February 2021 attempt, the All India top marks was 361 and our student has secured more than that. So some other phenomenal milestones in our progressive journey: 180 All India ranks in all levels of CA/CMA courses in 2019-20 alone, 3 All India first ranks in CA/CMA courses in the year 2020 itself. In a single attempt, 98 All India ranks in CMA Inter and final results, and state first in Inter MEC course for 18 times. So right now approximately 150 batches of various courses are running. I can humbly say that the entire credit for all these results goes to students, parents, and we just acted as a catalyst. To know more about the achievements of our students at CA or CMA foundation level, please check the cards and description given below. Some frequently asked questions. Sir, what about opportunities for CMA qualified students? If you want to go for a job, then the opportunities are equally good for CMA qualified students also. Look at the campus placements conducted by CMA Institute in the 2021. Highest CTC 22 lakhs and average CTC 10 lakhs per annum. I don't think it's a small amount. That's why don't worry about opportunities, focus on qualification. Sir, can I continue preparation using old materials and videos? If you do so, you are going to commit another big mistake in your preparation. Remember, the life of materials in CA course is just 1 year. ICAI has already released latest study materials, that is October 2021 edition. That means all our materials have become outdated. We need to provide latest and updated materials now. Sir, is there any change in the syllabus? There is no change in the syllabus, but study materials have got updated. Whenever new study materials are released, some new problems, some new concepts will also get added and some new concepts will be modified. That's why all our old materials will become outdated. We are going to provide you latest materials. Remember, ICAI has drastically modified the question paper pattern, based on which we are going to change our materials, our teaching pattern and our internal exam question paper also. That's why all the old resources available with you will become outdated. Sir, why don't I continue preparation at home? I think you are very much aware how good your preparation used to be at your home. There are very good chances of procrastination and distraction. So you will be inclined to prepare your own schedule and every day you will be modifying the same. You will not be sticking on to the same. That's why it's better to come and join in Masterminds, where you can follow the strict schedule given by us. Not writing exams in the conditions of public exams leads to anxiety and exam fear. So I think that might be one major reason for your failure in the recent exams. Question papers have changed drastically. You cannot reach the public exam standards if you prepare question paper on your own. Remember, it's very tough to prepare a question paper rather than answering the same. You can never know your mistakes if you conduct exams on your own, because what you will be feeling is whatever you know, it's correct. Unless the faculty tells you what is correct, what is wrong, you can never realize your own mistakes. Sir, what about doubts clarification? So here faculty will be there. So what about your home? And there is no scope for peer group learning when you prepare at home. Sir, can SSP students of CA course join in CMA Inter by paying some nominal conversion fees? Yes, that option is available, don't worry. The last date to register for CMA Foundation or CMA Inter is July 31st for December attempt. Of course, for June attempt, the last date is January 31st. Don't forget to apply for certified copies. We will shortly upload a video in this channel. Certified copies means, let us assume you feel that you have written your exam very well and you got lesser marks. Don't you be inclined to know what might be the reasons? Yes. In such a case, you can apply for certified copies. That means Xerox copies of your valued answer books. So you try to apply for the same, especially for all the descriptive subjects. Sir, we have two options. One is certified copies, another one is verification of answer books. Which one shall I choose? Always choose certified copies. Never apply for verification of answer books. There is no use at all. Sir, how to take coaching for CMA Foundation crash batch alone? So crash batch means you just want to know the topics of CMA Foundation which don't get covered in CA Foundation. All those topics will be covered under a course called CMA Foundation Crash Batch. This is already available in the Masterminds online classes app. You just pay the amount, download the videos and start watching the same. Sir, RRB videos are available? Yes, they are available in our app. By just spending 600 to 800 rupees, you can revise the entire subject. For example, if you look at the account subject of CA Foundation, if you pay 800 rupees, you can watch the entire syllabus of CA Foundation accounts in just a matter of 30-35 hours. They are called RRB videos, that is Rapid Revision Batch videos. They are also available in our app. Sir, what will happen if CA Foundation exams are postponed? We will also extend our services and we will be charging some proportionate fees. Sir, I have already registered for CMA Foundation but not attempted it. When can I write my CMA Inter exams? First of all, you can write your CMA Foundation exams in June 2022 and results will be out in a matter of 1 month, and immediately after results you can register for CMA Inter and you are eligible to write CMA Inter exams in December 2022 itself. That is the biggest advantage. Sir, will Masterminds faculty teach the classes in an in-depth manner? Yes. All our faculty are well trained, well experienced and expert faculty. We will shortly upload demo videos of all our faculty in our YouTube channel. Check it once. My dear students, if you are still unable to come out of failure, then first watch this short video on how to come out of failure, available in cards section as well as description. Dear students, once you receive the certified copies, mail them to my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com. We will analyze the same and tell you the reasons for getting lesser marks. We recommend every student to apply for certified copies for all descriptive subjects. So here are the details of our online presence and here are the details of our physical presence. So we have exclusive Telegram channels for all the stages of CMA courses where you can clarify your doubts. The details are given in the description of this video. So please do install our app. If you belong to Android, install the app Masterminds Online Classes. If you belong to iOS platform, please install the app Class Plus and enter the organization code as MZGUN. So all these types of videos are already available in our app. There are some videos which you can purchase for just a matter of 100 rupees. And you can even enjoy some free services under section study material. Happy to share that we are heading towards 25,000 downloads in Google Play Store with all the support of our students. Recently, Class Plus app, which is serving 15,000 plus educators by providing app for online classes, rated us among top 5 educators across the country. This shows our excellence in our online platform also. Recently launched MEC Pro at intermediate level for the students who want to pursue MBA or BBA or CLAT in future rather than CA CMA, and we have received huge applause. And this MEC Pro will be available in all our branches including Guntur. Sir, is it possible to interact with any of your directors directly? Yes, you can. If it is administrative issue, you can contact Mohan sir. Here is the mail ID. And if it is an academic issue, you can contact me and here is my mail ID. We can humbly say that we are able to get admissions across the country thanks to all our old students and their parents for their love and support. That's all, my dear students. If at all you want to interact with me, please send a mail to my mail ID and I will definitely respond to your mails. All the best.